we have seen, strong push for peace for months already now, but it seems a bit one-sided because, yes, Ukraine agrees to different concessions, but we haven't heard about any concessions on the Russian side. The opposite, actually. If there was an agreement that they are not bombing the energy infrastructure, but they continue to bomb maternity wards, trains, everything else to cause as much pain and suffering for the people in minus 20 degrees cold. So I don't see really any signs from Russia to want peace. They are going for their maximalist demands, and that's why our response is clear. We need to put more pressure on Russia so that they would go from pretending to negotiate to actually negotiate.